Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Hi, Tom.
Hi, good morning.
Yeah, all right. How are you, Tom?
I'm happy to go.
You're happy? Okay, so did you eat, Tom? Did you eat? What did you eat?
Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Penny.
What?
Hmm.
What did you eat? What did you eat? Rice? Did
Yeah.
you eat rice? Oh, really?
Thế con bé đứng gần gạo này, còn thì giống bố dễ sợ nữa. Đấy mấy lần đó là bố đó mình lúc đi lúc nó là gái mà.
What did you eat? Did you eat bread?
Cái nước đâu?
Noodles. Ah, you ate noodles. And did you drink milk?
No.
No milk? Okay. And did you play, Tom? Did you play? Did you play?
Apple.
Did you play the apple? Oh, you ate apple. You ate apple. Okay. I like apple too. Do you like apple? Do you like apple?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Very healthy, right? Apples are healthy and sweet. They're sweet. Apples are sweet. Okay. And apples are healthy. All right, now, Tom, we're going to start our lesson now. Now we're going to start our lesson. Okay, where's the book? All right, can you see the book?
Em vòng qua bên kia coi
All right, Tom, let's have this one. What
cái nhỏ thứ nhất
letter is
làm thì
this?
tôi nhắn tình đấy đâu.
What letter is this?
Gì?
It's Y. Y.
Hoài.
Y. Okay, that's Y in English. Y. Yes, this one is Y. And Y is for
Yo.
yogurt. Yogurt.
Yo. Yo.
And yo-yo. All right. Do you eat yogurt? Tom, do you eat yogurt?
Yeah.
Yes. Do you play with yo-yo? Do you have yo-yo? Do you have yo-yo, Tom?
Yeah.
You do? Do you have yo-yo? Do you
À,
have a
Yeah.
yo-yo? You do? Where?
Yeah.
Where is it?
cái nắp cái
Ah, do you know how to play? Do you know how to play with yo-yo? Do you know? Ah, okay. So you have to throw it like that. Okay, good job, good job. All right, so let's read this one, Tom. I like yogurt.
Ai là Yogo?
I like my yo-yo.
Ai là mà Yoyo?
Okay, good job. All right, so let's read. Okay, so now, Tom, you need to circle. Circle the words that begin with Y. Circle the words that begin with Y. Okay?
Thế.
không biết là một số
All right.
cái gì rồi kéo ra cái này thôi.
Yoyo. À.
Ép cái này
Yes,
đâu.
yo-yo. What else? Circle the words that begin with Y. You, yes.
Đúng rồi đó, cắm rồi đó, đúng rồi đúng rồi đúng rồi. Nó có một đầu người kia cắm vào đó là được. Rồi mới cái máy tính này trước rồi đọc đằng sau lên.
Ho gì?
Are you done? Okay, you finished? All right, let's read. Yes.
Dạ.
Yes. Yo-yo.
Dạ. Yo yo.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Yogurt.
Yogurt.
You.
You.
Okay, good job, Tom. So those words have why? Oh, you're doing it again? Are you done, Tom? Oh, what happened? What happened, Tom? Oh,
Good.
all right. So we are going to continue to move to our next topic.
Okay.
Có hiện chưa? Rồi.
All right, so let's have this one, Tom. What number is this? What?
19.
19. 19.
19.
This one is? What's this? What number is this?
10. 20.
20. Yes, that's right. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay, can you count? Tom, can you count this one? The plums, can you count? Please count.
Okay. Okay.
Mm-hmm. 1,
19.
mm-hmm.
Okay.
Rồi có công tắc không? Có nguồn nó có công tắc không? Không có công tắc thì thôi. Có nguồn là có trên yếu không có công tắc không? Rồi ok. Để em đặt đi. Thì bữa tiền không lên đâu hả?
You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, you're counting this.
Không có sáng rồi. Vẫn trên nữa.
So 19 minus 4 equals 15. Okay, can you say 19
19
minus
minus
4
4
equals
equal
15.
15.
Good job, Tom. All right, how about this one? How many is this? You write the number here and here. Oh.
À, tự làm là cái dây nguồn đến tương cắm được đó, lấy cái nguồn cái bay lên cắm vào đó.
Oh, good job. All right, let's read, Tom. 20
20
minus 3
minus 3
equals 17.
equal
17.
17.
Good job. Very good, Tom. All right, now let's move on to the next page. Okay, let's have letter. What letter is this, Tom? What letter?
U
Z.
G
Okay, Z. Can you trace?
Zebra
Yeah, Z is for zebra.
Zebra
Zebra.
Zebra
And
U
zoo. Zoo.
U
Zoo.
U
Okay, Tom.
B
B. Oh, good job. All right, so zebra and zoo. You have to practice that. Zebra. Zebra.
Zebra
Zoo. All right. So what's this, Tom? What's this?
U Zebra
This one.
Jojo
This one.
Chiêu cả
What? Yogurt. Yogurt.
Yogurt
And this one is? What's this?
and U
Zoo. Yes, that's right. Zoo. Okay, circle the letter Z. Circle the words with Z. Circle the letter Z. Letter Z. Circle the letters Z.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. All right, let's read Tom. Zebra. Zebra at the
Here.
zoo.
At the you.
Okay, Z
Zebra.
says
A.
Z says the
Yeah.
zebra at the zoo.
Zebra at the you.
Okay, all right. So let's move on to this one. All right, let's read. Oh, let's listen. Let's see if we can watch this one. Oh, we can. Let's watch this.
Thanks, Mum. I like raisins. I don't like raisins.
I like plums.
I don't like plums. I like cakes. I like cakes.
No, Billy. Share the cakes.
Yes, Billy. I like cakes too.
Okay, so we're going to read it, Tom. Okay, all right. So let's read, Tom. Thanks, Mom.
Yeah, Mom.
I like raisins.
I like raisins.
I don't like raisins.
I don't like raisins.
I like plums.
I like
Plums.
plum.
Yeah, plums. I don't like plums.
I don't like plum.
I like cakes.
I like it.
I like cakes.
I like it.
Yeah. No, Billy.
No bit.
No, Billy.
No belly.
Share the cakes.
Said okay.
Share the cakes.
Said okay.
Yes, Billy.
Yeah, Billy.
I like
I
cakes too.
potato.
I like cakes too.
I like it too.
Okay, good job, Tom. Now we're going to have this one. Circle the odd one out. The odd one out. Okay? Circle the odd one out. Tom, this is what you're going to do. Circle the odd one out. Okay, all right. Okay. Circle this one, waiter, wet, jacket, and builder. So the odd one is jacket. Let's have number 2. Wait a minute. Oh, let me just make it smaller. Okay, Tom. Circle the odd one out. Here, Tom. Let's read, Tom. Shirt.
Shirt.
Okay, no. Let's start with number 1. Waiter. Waiter.
Waiter.
Vet.
Vet.
Jacket.
Jacket.
Builder.
Builder.
What is the odd one out?
What?
What is the odd one? Tom, what is the odd one?
Yeah.
Which one? Waiter, vet, jacket, or builder? Tom, you're not listening again, Tom. Tell me which one is the odd one. Okay? Tom. That's one. Waiter, vet, jacket, or builder? Which one is the
Jacket.
jacket? Okay, so you have to write, you have to circle. You have to circle and write the word of the odd one. Okay? Okay, Tom? All right, let's have number 2. Let's read. Shirt, shirt,
Shirt.
shirt,
Shirt.
cake,
Shirt.
hat,
Shirt.
hat,
Hat.
belt,
Hat.
belt.
Mango. Plum.
No, here, only number 2. Which one is the odd one out? Shirt, cake, hat, or belt?
Hat.
You circle. Circle.
Hat.
Circle. Circle it. Circle. Circle this one, Tom. Circle the cake and write cake here. Circle and write cake. Yeah, and circle this. Circle, circle, circle.
Hat.
Circle. Circle it.
Circle.
Circle it, Tom. Circle. This one. Yes. All right. Next one, number 3. Tom, what's this? What's that, Tom? All right. 3. Apple.
3. Apple.
Mango.
Mango.
Plum.
Gula.
Plum.
Plum.
18.
18.
All right. Which one is the odd one? Circle the odd one. Circle the odd one and write the word here.
Circle.
Tom. Circle the odd one and circle the odd one and write the word.
Yeah.
Tom. Tom. Oh no. What are you doing?
And mango. Mango.
Mango is the odd
Yeah.
one. Are you sure? No, not mango. No. No, not mango. Look, apple, mango, plum, and 18. Which one is the odd one?
Mango.
No.
Plum.
No. That's not.
18.
Yes, this is number. These are all fruits. And this is a number. You write the word here. Write the word here, Tom.
18.
Right here. Write. Write it. Write the word 18.
Mm.
Yes, 18. All right. This one, Tom. Jumper.
Jumper.
15.
15.
16.
16.
17.
17.
So which one is the odd one?
15.
No.
13.
No, Tom. Which one is different? Which one is different? Jumper, 15, 16, or 17?
17.
No.
Hmm.
Oh, Tom. Which one is different? Jumper, 15, 16, or 17? Yes, that's right. That is different because it's clothes.
Oh.
The other ones are all numbers. Right, Tom? All right, you
Okay.
write the word jumper here. Yes, that's right. All right, 5, Tom. Zebra.
Chop.
Zebra.
Zebra. Chop.
Fox. Fox.
Tiger.
Turtle.
Turtle. Creature.
Crisp. Crisp.
Kid.
All right, which one is the odd one? Which one is different?
Chop.
No.
Zebra.
Which one is different?
Mm. Lion.
Which one? You circle. Circle the different one.
Turtle.
No. Why is the turtle different? No.
After
Yes, that's right. It's not an animal. Yes, the crisp is different because it's not an animal. Right, Tom? Okay, you write the word here. Please write the word. Write the word, Tom. Yes, that's right, crisp. Okay, good job, Tom. So your answers are all correct. Don't forget, okay?
Okay.
All right, so I think that's the end of our lesson. So we're going to continue this on Thursday or Wednesday? On Wednesday. Yeah. So we will continue on page 69 on Wednesday. All right, that's the end of our lesson. See you again next time. Goodbye, Tom. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.